Welcome to Crafting Kindly. Today I'm going to be going over the supplies I use to make my bracelets. To start off, you're going to want beads. I'm using these beads from Bead Treasures, and you can find them at Hobby Lobby. They come in a lot of different sizes and colors. These are seed beads, but they are glass. You're also going to want some stretch thread. I'm using this Opilon stretch jewelry fiber. It's really stretchy. Here's an example piece so you can see what it looks like. And it's just really stretchy. And I think it holds up really nice. You can pull on it. So this is my personal favorite. You're also going to want a very long ruler for cutting your bracelet string. You're also going to want a good pair of universal scissors that you can use to cut your string. Alright, that's it. And now you can make all the bracelets you want. Thank you so much and have a great day.